Good day, everyone. I'm Floriza May V. Maganyong. Today, I'm gonna report about financial literacy. I'm continue with Genevieve Alburo. Common financial scams to avoid. Financial fraud can happen anyone, including the teacher, at any time, while some forms of financial fraud, as massive data breaches, are out of one's control. There are many times ways to proactively get rid of financial and identify thief. Here are some of the most common financial scams, along with ways to identify them early and how to protect ones from being victimized. First is phishing, social media scams, phone scams, stolen credit card numbers, and identify thief. Phishing, using this common tactic, scammers send an email that appears to come from financial institution such as a bank and such as you to click a link, update your account information. If you receive any correspondence that asks you information, never click on the links or provide account details. Instead, visit the company website, find official contact information, and call them to verify the request. For example, kini na mga scammers na facing is nag-send sila email na for example mga bangko nag-send sila email to i-click daw. So to avoid for scammers dili nato ni sila i-click na mga email kay wa ta kabalo unsa na ba si may scammers na dapat kung gusto gud ka na legit adtuon nimo ang iyang opisina, verify nimo na request kung legit ba gud siya. That is called phishing. Number 2 is social media scam. Scammers are adept at using social media to gather information about the traveling habits of the potential victims. They also the phishing tactics including post seeking charity donation with bogus links that allow them to keep your money. Therefore, be conscious be conscious of the information you post online, especially personal details and plans for your vacation that you would leave your house unoccupied. For example, social media scams. Nagagamit ni sila mga through social media information about mga traveling gani habis mo ni mabiktima pud taan nila. So kapresa po di sila sa facing. So nagagamit di sila donation na ina ni ma'am na may donate diri please donate diri please link the link para mag-donate ani na kwarta maghatag gayng ka ng mga kwarta ni mo donate ka ani plus kini na link ang dapat i-donate nimo. So iwas ta ana. That is called social media scams. And phone scams. Another prevalent tactic is scamming phone calls. There are scammers post and government agencies such as the Bureau of Internal Revenue or local law enforcement agencies and use scare tactics to acquire the personal information and account numbers. Never provide your account information over the phone. Look the agency contact information and call them account verify any request to note government agency will never text or call to ask for a money. For example, in phone scams is nagatawag ni sila or naga-text na about sa mga scammers po ni sila. Nagagamit ni sila mga agencies. Ma'am, kami ang mga naga-agencies na inani yung sa gamit nila ng pangalan ng mga agencies. Please, provide the personal information so never you ka magatag sa ilang personal information with through call. Dapat atun yun nato ni sa in-person agencies na dili man ni sila nagatawag or nagatext about sa for the money. Dapat atun yun din sila sa opisina kung gusto gyud ka legit. So, stolen credit card numbers. There are numerous ways that scammers can obtain your credit card information, including hacking, phishing, and use skimming devices such as small card readers attached to the unmanned credit card readers, ATM, gas pump, and more. These are small devices pull data of your card, will swipe it before you use the ATM, or swipe your card, look for suspicious device that may be attached to your card reader. For example, in my opinion, installing numerous. Muni sila ang mga kanang mga usay credit, muni sila ang nag-scams pod. Nani sila yung mga gagmay na simpak or ipaslak dito ba sa ATM. So murag kung sa pa memory card. Nani sila ipaslak. So ikaw kung ikaw nagpaslak ng ATM, mabalaan day na nila dito unsay pin number nimo. Muna nagagamit po ni sila mga numbers, nag-scam po ni so mo ning gitawag stolen credit card numbers. Nana sila ginakuha na nilang mga number, pin numbers sa mga ATM, so nakabalo na sila. So katong memory na dito nakapilit ang imong kuan. So muna natawag stolen card numbers. So identify thief, depending on the amount of information scammer is able to obtain, identify thief may extend beyond an unauthorized charge of debit card if scammers are able to obtain your social security number, date, birth, or other personal information. They are maybe able to own you against them. So, identify thief. So, dili dapat ka nagabutang og sa imong PIN number, di dapat ka nagabutang og, in my opinion, identify thief is dili dapat ka nagabutang og sa imong PIN number, dili dapat ka ng mga difficult password, dapat dili anang mga date number, mga date mo sa pagkatao sa mga inana, dapat kay dili na nila muna tagsagara makawatan kay ang ilang ginapin nila ka ng mga birth date nila, so dapat mangitag itag difficult password. That is identify thief. 10 tips to avoid common financial scams. Never write your money to a stranger. If you receive Outthroat is one of the oldest internet scams. There are still consumers who fall for the rip of some variation of it. And number 2, don't give your financial information. Never reveal sensitive personal financial information to a person or business you don't know through phone, text, or email. And number 3, never click on hyperlinks in email. If you receive an email, for example, if you receive an email from a stranger or company asking you to click on the hyperlink or open and attach and then enter your financial information, delete the email immediately. And number 4 is use difficult passwords. Hackers can easily find passwords that are simple number combination, create password that are at least 8 characters long and that includes some lower and uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You should also use different password for every website you visit. Number 5, never give your social security number. If you receive an email or visit a website that asks for your social security number, ignore it. And number 6 is install antivirus and spyware protection. Protect the sensitive information stored on your computer by installing antivirus, firewall, and spyware protection. Once you install the program, turn on auto updating feature to make sure the software is always to update. And number 7 is don't shop with unfamiliar online retailers. When it comes to online shopping, only do business with familiar companies. When purchasing a product from unfamiliar retailer, do some research to ensure the business is legit and reputable. And number 8 is don't download software from pop-up windows. When you are online, do not trust pop-up windows that appear and claim your computer is unsafe. If you click the link in pop-up to start system scam or some other programs, malicious software known as malware could damage your operating system. And number 9, make sure the website you visit are safe. Before you enter your financial information, any website, double click the website privacy rules. Also make sure the website uses, which is usually symbolized by a lock to that leaf of the web address, which means it is safe and protected against hackers. And for the last one is donate to no charities only. If you receive call and email for solicitation on any charity donation, critically examine it. Some scammers create bogus charities to steal credit card information. Financial scam among students. Students can also be susceptible to different financial scams, fraud. Learning how to manage finances and being aware of financial scams are skills their very students should master. The following are common financial scams that students should watch out for. Learn, protect one, identify finances, fake scholarship, diploma meals, online book scams, credit card scams, and fake scholarship. While it's financial for student to apply for many scholarship, it is important to become aware of related scams and fraud. Students should through check scholarship resources before applying to verify legitimacy. Never apply the scholarship that asks for money return. And diploma mills, there are schools that offer fake degrees and diplomas in exchange of a fee. Check from government education agencies that prospective schools to enroll in if government recognized, legitimate, and accredited. And online book scams, while students can often go to the best deals and textbooks online, scammers can use this opportunity to get students' credit card information. When buying anything online, be sure to do it a creditable site. And credit card scams. Oftentimes, credit card companies go to the school compulses to the VINS student to fill out the card application. Scammers may also grab this chance to steal student information. It is very important to visit the local credit union bank or bank for credit card application. Also, regularly check the credit card statement, and once there are many unorganized charges, contact the banking institution immediately. Insurance and taxes. Insurance is a contract in a form of policy between the policyholder and the insurance company, whereby the company agencies to compensate for any financial loss from specific insured events in exchange for the financial protection offered. Policyholder agrees to pay a certain sum of money known as premium to insurance company. Insurance is a best form of risk management against uncertain loss. There are various types of insurance to choose from, such as life insurance, health insurance, motor insurance, property insurance, business insurance, etc. Besides, the financial protection derived from insurance entails tax benefits claimed on the paid premiums. The following the following are concepts related to insurance and taxes every teacher should know. However, she or he should carefully analyze and critically examine will before pursuing any deal with them. Employer sponsor insurance. Employer sponsored insurance is if you're working in any company with 50 or more full-time employees, the employer is required to provide employee insurance. That means guidelines, examine a plan offer but you pay 9.66% of household income premiums. And number 2, market plans. Market plans is marketplace plans are available based on area of residence and income upon meeting minimum coverage requirements. Marketplace plans come in three tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. Generally, bronze plans offer the least coverage at the lowest premium, while the gold plans provide the most coverage, the highest price, the life insurance. Life insurance, a type insurance that compensates beneficiaries upon the death of the policyholder. The company will guarantee a payout for beneficiaries in chains of premium. The composition called death benefit depending on the type of the insurance. May also their event can be anything from retirement to injuries to critical illness of the death. The following common risk categories. Preferred plus, the policyholder is excellent health with normal weight, no history in smoking, critical illness, or family history of any life-threatening disease. Number 2 is preferred. Preferred is the policy is the excellent health but may have minor issues on cholesterol or blood pressures but under control. Number 3 is standard plus. The policy holder is very good health but some factors like high blood pressure or being overweight impede a better rating. And number 4 is standard. Standard, most policyholders belong the category as the are deemed to be healthy and have a normal life expectancy, although they may have a family history or life-threatening disease or few minor health issues. And number 5 is substandard. Those with serious health issues like a diabetes or heart disease are placed on a table rating system ranked from highest to lowest. On average, that premiums will be similar to standard with an additional 25% lower claims on the table ratings. And number 6 is smokers. Smokers is due to added risks of smoking. The policyholders in a category agreemented to pay more. Aside from health class, age is also critical factor determining premiums. Therefore, older people pay more expensive premiums. Benefits of life insurance. The following are the benefits of life insurance. It pays for medical and funeral costs. Life insurance helps solve incurred expenses, medical, financial, and lessons gift among family, relatives who are being unprepared. So, ang masabutan niya is kinensya ng mga insurance is kapasa na namatayan or na ay naoperahan ba, muni sila ang matawag na mga insurances. For example, ako wala ko na ipon, tapos na ako'y naoperahan. So, pwede nimo ni siya magamit, pwede nimo ito magamit na medical insurance. That is called pays money. And number 2, for financial support, life insurance can be a source of temporary income during the difficult period adjusting coping with lost loved one, especially if she is the breadwinner. And for example of this number 2 is, for financial support is, na kay nawad na member sa imong pamilya is pwede nimo ni pod magamit for temporary income during difficult, wala ka kabalo, kung di man ka kabalo kalit-kalit lang panahon mawala na to ni pwede nimo ni magamit, especially sa mga breadwinner. And number 3, for funding various financial goals, life insurance offers additional benefits through the form of accumulation for specific future financial goals. And number 4 is AXE retirement required conform modern life insurance that serve a tool a principal holders can use get better financial position and future. For example, number 4, in my opinion, kay akong ginikanan is a teacher. So retirement man siya. So ang yang insurance nagamit samtang karon naglingkuray na siya, nagamit niya ang kini na insurance sa mga retirement kasagaran na ni kanang mga professional magamit nila ni sa mga kuan. So number 5 is it covers costs incurred from taxes and debt. Life insurance can serve as protection since the premium can be used to pay for unstilled debt and taxes. And that it's all of topic of financial literacy. And that's all. Thank you.